Hi, my name is Jamie, and for my activity, I did letter sorting and matching. So, what I gathered was a ladle from my kitchen and a big bowl, and then my magnetic letters. I thought this would make it more fun. Kids can pretend that they're making alphabet soup and then fish out different letters. So if I was doing this in my classroom, I would laminate these, but instead I just wrote them on whiteboards for right now, which would also work if you have a lot of kids doing this and needing to change out the letters frequently. However, you have more of a tendency then for kids to want to erase the boards. So that's why I would just laminate them personally. So the first activity I would have them do is I would have the letters in here that we'd been working on for the week, and they would just have to match and sort where they go. So kids would scoop out a letter, L, and then place it where it goes on the whiteboard. If we had been doing this for a couple weeks and been working on these letters, I would add letters that didn't match, so N, and see where they could place it at. And realize, oh, it doesn't match any of these, and put it off to the side. So that would be one activity I would do. Another activity would be having the kids sort the letters, capital letters and lowercase letters. It's really important that children can decipher the difference between them. Another activity would be them finding the letters in their name. So finding all the capitals, finding it in lower cases, and then finding it with the capital first letter and the rest being lowercase. Another activity would be doing rhyming with it. So cat, sat, and then seeing if they could create their own rhyming word. And this would be for older children or more advanced kids, depending on what age group you're working with. The last and final activity I would do is having a bowl just like this set up, and this would work great with older kids, is having them have to find the letters in their spelling words. So I would write all of their spelling words up on the wall, divide the class into 2 teams, and then as a relay race style, they would have to fish out one of the letters, see if it's in their spelling word, and run up and place it where it needs to go on top of the word. And then as soon as they place theirs, the next person can scoop out a letter and go. I think that children would really find this entertaining. I personally would place it in my center, so then when a child is all done with their work for the day, they could go and play with it. And it would help them with their phonics by learning the correct way that letters need to go, and by realizing that each letter looks different and being able to recognize which letters are which. So that's my activity, and thank you for watching.